Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear cache on Amazon Music using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, it's important to know this. On an iPhone, there is no single clear cache button like Android, but don't worry, you still have easy way to clear the cache. Only your iPhone and open the Amazon Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile at the top left of your screen, then tap on settings. Now scroll down and look for storage or downloaded music. If you see an option like clear cache or reset cache, tap it and confirm. This removes temporary files but keeps your account safe. If you don't see these options, move on to the next method. Open iPhone settings on phone. Once you are in, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and tap Amazon Music. Now tap offload app. This removes temporary app data but keeps your documents and settings. After uploading, tap reinstall app. This clears the cache and refresh the app. If the app is still not working, well, this is the best option. Go to the settings, then general, then iPhone storage, then tap on Amazon Music, then tap delete app. Confirm the delete. Now open the app store, search for the Amazon Music and reinstall it. Sign back into your account. Your cache is now completely cleared, and that's it. That's how to clear cache on Amazon Music using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.